What's going on, guys? It's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I am going out with one of my closest friends and I'm pretty excited. Before we get into it, I would like to thank EOS for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, let's get started. So if it looks like I'm in a totally different setting, it's because I am. This is technically the guest room, but I'm always in here and my stuff is in here all the time. So I'm gonna get ready from the guest room. I've pretty much been at home chilling all day, so I have to shower and do pretty much my entire routine. So I'm going to jump in the shower and I will be right back. All right, so I am back. This is the outfit I put on. We are gonna continue this get ready with me in the bathroom. I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. Even though I already did that for the day, I'm gonna do it again. So I brushed my teeth and now I'm going to wash my face. My skin's doing pretty good, so that's good. Alright, so it's time to get started on my makeup. You guys know I pretty much put on a gloss or a lip balm every single day for my makeup routine. My lips get so dry in the winter time. I have this bad habit of licking my lips when they're dry. Licking your lips when it's dry and cold outside is a terrible combination, and that is something I do every single winter, especially in the beginning of the cold months. I can't help it. I just keep licking my lips, and so they end up super dry and in need of some help. It's such a struggle to keep my lips hydrated and moisturized. That's why I want to introduce you guys to these two products from EOS. There's the EOS medicated lip treatment and the EOS extra dry lip treatment. I will be using the extra dry lip treatment today. I've been using it recently and it keeps my lips hydrated and moisturized for 24 hours. Since I'm going out in the winter elements tonight with my friends, I want to be prepared. This one is called the Hero extra dry lip treatment. It repairs severely dry lips like mine. My lips get so dry. It's so moisturizing. It literally feels amazing. It immediately makes my lips super soft, hydrated, and moisturized. It smells good too. And it's gonna keep my lips hydrated for 24 hours, which is what I need. Ooh, that feels so good. They're so soft. This is definitely gonna take the place of my lip gloss because I get the gloss-like shine on my lips, but this is not going to dry my lips out and I'm not gonna have to reapply it every 4 seconds. It'll keep my lips soft and hydrated and moisturized all day, which is what I need. I love the berry flavor of the Hero because it smells so good and I really just want to eat it. Like, I just want to lick my lips and taste it. It's because it smells so good. The tube has such an easy applicator, so you can pop it out of your pocket and apply it to your lips anytime, anywhere. It's super small and cute and little, and you could shove it in your pocket or in your purse or anywhere you want. The product is very consistent. It's thick. It's gonna hydrate and moisturize your lips and keep them hydrated and moisturized all day throughout the cold weather and the winter elements. This product has a unique formula and I am definitely a big fan of it. So if you guys have severely dry lips and you want soft, moisturized lips with 24-hour hydration, you've got to try this out. You can find yours at a Walmart near you. Thank you, EOS, for sponsoring today's video. Okay, guys, so for today's makeup look, it's pretty much the same all the time. And of course, I'm probably rushing. I want to wear some contacts. I bought some cute colored ones, and I haven't worn them yet. So I'm going to try them out. Last time I tried to put them in my eyes, though, they were being difficult. That's kind of a cute color. I got the right one in. My eye is watering a little bit, but that always happens. Okay, I put them in. These are so cute. I think these actually might be one of my new favorites. I look like I literally just left a funeral. For some reason, I always forget to put my contacts in until like the very end of my routine, my makeup routine. And then you see how much I just teared up? Yeah, it messes up all my makeup. Luckily though, I didn't forget today. Guys, I'm still on the fact that my lips are so hydrated. Let's get right into my makeup routine. You guys know I keep it simple, keep it classy. I literally just do like mascara and my eyebrows. So this should be pretty easy. I have it's not even dark circles under my eyes. It is actually, I did so much research on this because I don't like this part of my eyes, but you know, I was born with it and I've lived with it my entire life, so it's really nothing to me. But it's just these hollow under eyes, so the skin is just, I guess, thinner, and I guess have less meat up there, so it looks like I'm tired 25/8, but I'm not, I promise. Well, probably am. That's not why my eyes look so dark. That's why I wear concealer, but even when I wear concealer, you can still see the distinction between like my under eyes. I don't know how to explain this, but you can definitely still see that I have hollow under eyes under the concealer. You guys know I got my nose pierced like, I want to say a couple months ago, but it's only been like 1 full month. I got it like end of October, and I'm supposed to wait like 12 weeks to change it. I already want to change it so bad because this one's cute or whatever, but yeah, I'm getting bored of it quickly and I just want to change it already, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna wait until at least 9 weeks, which is what pretty much the internet said. Catch me in 9 weeks with a different nose piercing. I'm pretty sure I'm on week like 5 or 6. Oh, okay, so now I'm putting on this setting powder. I love flying through my makeup routine because it's so easy and fast and I don't have to spend too much time on it, and it's just over when it's over. Now for my eyebrows. My eyebrows were always so hard to do. They still are, but we have been getting through it. I've been getting better at doing my eyebrows, basically, so yeah. Okay, this is my first eyebrow. It kind of looks wretched, honestly, but at the same time, I honestly don't care. That's how you have to do it. That's the only way you're gonna get anywhere, if you just stop caring. So now I'm gonna give my hair a few flips because it is not done drying, and you know, we just gotta get there together. Y'all wanna know something? I co-washed my hair. I didn't even wash it all the way. I'm probably just gonna keep it curly. The last thing I do for my makeup routine is do a little bit of under eye liner down here because I think it's so cute. So I just do a little bit there and a little bit right there. And I don't go all the way to the corners of my eyes. I kind of stop where my eye is. So now for the rest of my get ready with me, I'm gonna pop in these earrings that are cute. I'm gonna go with silver jewelry today. Bro, this is, I love being able to get ready so fast. This literally was no time. BRB so I can get my favorite necklaces before we leave. Okay. This is the last step to every routine, every get ready with me, is putting on my jewelry. What is that? On my neck. Okay. Lately I've been wearing silver, although I do feel like this is an outfit where you'd wear gold. However, I really have been liking the silver. I never loved you, my baby. I need to bring this in my purse with me because if I have to take them out, I better have this on me. Okay, I might change my outfit to be honest, but for the most part, we're ready to go. I high-key should have filmed the video in this light. I should have turned all the lights off because this looks cute. Okay, so I know you guys can't really see, but Eden is here. She picked me up. We are on our way to the outdoor. Oh, we on the red light. Okay, my GoPro's kind of tweaking. Yeah, let's find somebody who has one. I need a mask, so I asked for one. He gave us these I love meetings about meetings. Here you go. I was gonna get something, but I just needed a mask. I don't have a choice. I love meetings about meetings. This is funny. What? Shoot, free mask? I'm not even tripping. Thank you, sir. Give her her disposable back. She don't like the meetings about meetings one. Eden wasn't gonna wear the I love meetings about meetings mask, so she got a disposable one. I'm sticking to the meetings about meetings, okay? Every time we come here eating, we try to get chocolate strawberries and we don't have them. And I'm about to check. Hello. Girl, you know you are jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm already eating the chips. That's cool. How'd they do that? Food is so good. I'm about to eat this. I put steak, beans, lettuce, cheese. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Okay, guys, so me and Eden, we're about to go right there for some ice cream, but so we're gonna go and get McFlurries instead with Christmas tree.